Season's greetings from all of us here at ADVANTUM. As we approach the end of this year, we do so with hearts full of gratitude for life, for resilience, and for the opportunity to keep moving forward together. In the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa, we've seen once again the strength and unity of the Jamaican spirit. Communities have come together, neighbors have helped neighbors, and hope continues to shine through even the toughest days. At ADVANTUM, we are reminded that our true success lies not only in what we achieve, but in how we support one another as partners, colleagues, and citizens, especially in challenging times. This Christmas, we pause to give thanks for those who have stood strong and for everyone working to rebuild, restore, and renew. May this season bring comfort, warmth, and peace to you and your loved ones. And as the new year dawns, may it be filled with new opportunities, growth, and brighter days ahead. From the entire ADVANTUM family, Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year.